Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to another travel vlog. We are going to the beach right now. We already had breakfast but we're still hungry because it wasn't very much, but it's expensive so we don't have money to buy a second breakfast. Oh, Englisch aber, ne?
Oh nee. Hello my beautiful people. Okay, das sieht heute so gar nicht beautiful aus. Ich hab verdammt viel Hunger. Und ich hasse Sonnencreme.
Der Moment.
Ja, Mann, das waren mehrere Momente.
Lara kommt reinkommen, okay, weil Lara wollte, dass wir nochmal so viel machen.
Also, das ist deine Portion, die
nee, das sind zwei. Warte, Lara? Nein, Lara. Das ist deine Portion. Hey.
Aber warte, du kriegst so. Gib ihm.
Okay. Happy New Year everyone! Oh my god, it's 2020. That is so surreal. Time, like, when I'm traveling I don't really feel time. I don't look what date it is, so it doesn't really feel like a new year. Like normally at home I would already have like all my goals set for 2020. I would have planned out everything, but while I'm traveling that all doesn't really matter, so it doesn't really feel like a new year, but it is a new year, and that's crazy. I don't know, I just can't wrap my head around it. Tomorrow was a lot of fun. We didn't stay out that long, we stayed out till like 1. Still have my makeup on from yesterday. Did I say tomorrow was a lot of fun? Yesterday was a lot of fun. Eigentlich dauerhaft scheiße aus. Es ist wirklich 3 Monate lang eine Grundhässlichkeit da, die ich nicht loswerde und die auch, also so langsam reicht. We made it to Ubud, everyone, finally. It was such a journey to get to this villa because we didn't know the name of it, so a driver dropped us off way too soon. This is my room and Lara's room, and we have like these big windows, which I'm so excited about because in our hostel that we stayed in for the past few nights, we did not have one window, just darkness the whole time. So I'm very excited for the amount of light that gets through these windows right now. I'll show you the villa in a second. But yeah, we're staying here for the next 3 nights. I'm gonna change into my bikini and go and get into the pool, even though it's not sunny right now, which I'm very sad because I do need to get a tan. I'm still white as the spat. I'm literally the color of the spat. Anyways. Das hier. Lara? Darf ich das daneben? Geil! Ich liebe Hannah Montana. We rented 2 scooters and now we're gonna go and see some waterfalls. We made it back. The waterfalls were pretty nice. There were some people, a lot of people. They weren't like the most popular ones, so I don't think we saw like the usual amount of people that are at a waterfall in Ubud, but there were quite a few people. But I really liked the last one, so it's totally fine. I didn't really mind the people, so it's alright. And now we're back. We bought some stuff for dinner and we're gonna cook here, but I'm gonna go into the pool right now. It's raining. Wait. So Lara and me were gonna cook right now. Look at the rain. Can you see that? I don't know. I got this thing to keep me kind of dry. But I need to pull my camera. That was stupid. I need to pull my camera and then, oh my god, it's so wet. Oh, fuck. Ew, ew, ew. So we're making pancakes and instant noodles. That's our dinner. And we have to improvise a little bit because we don't have everything we need, but we'll make it work. Kann ich meine Kamera da hinstellen?
Eigentlich haben wir gar nichts, was wir brauchen. Das ist die Wahrheit.
Ja, komm, ein bisschen positive Einstellung hier. Meinst du, das funktioniert? Wie kriegen wir jetzt mehr? Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the pancake. Good job. Hello, little buddy. I'll get my bowl. Das sieht so affig aus, ne? We finally got dinner. My bowl was way too big, but it works, so we're fine. I'm gonna eat that. Ich mache mein Kissen richtig eklig und dann muss ich daran noch eine Nacht schlafen. So, ein bisschen Sojasauce. Der Dreck geht nicht auf, also. Ist das überhaupt Sojasauce oder ist das bei mir diese Zuckerpaste?
Das ist Sojasauce.
Bei mir ist es die Zuckerpaste. Die will ich nicht. Wäsch damit. Was ist das?
Zuckerrübensirup. Hatten das nie zu Hause?
Nein. Okay, wie mache ich die Kamera jetzt aus? Alle meine Hände sind dreckig. Ich habe nur zwei, aber beide sind dreckig. I just finished packing. We're leaving the villa today and originally we wanted to go to Gili Air. Or originally we wanted to go to Nusa Penida, but all the ferries leave at 9 or 9:30. And when we decided to look when the ferry leaves, it was already 10. So we missed that. Then we decided to just go to the Gilis first, but they also leave at 9 to 9:30. So we missed those two. So now we're going to Padang Bai, which is the harbor from where we're gonna go to either Nusa Penida or Gili Air. And we'll probably have to stay there one night, which kind of sucks because we don't have much time and now we're spending one night at a place where we didn't even want to be. But we failed at planning, so that's the only way we can do it right now.